Markets are surging everywhere, but is this rally going to last? Let's break down this risk-on world. First up, that record-long US government shutdown is finally over, and markets, they're loving it. So, what's that mean for the markets? Well, it's kicked off a huge shift in investor mood. This is what we call risk-on sentiment. Basically, investors are feeling good and ready to buy. And you're seeing that confidence in action. Global stocks just hit record highs across the board. Just look at the major indexes. From the DAX to the Dow, it's a sea of green. You can even see this mood in commodities. Gold is up, while oil is actually taking a hit. And of course, crypto is getting enormous action. Bitcoin is surging towards its all-time high. Meanwhile, the Japanese yen, a classic safe bet, is tumbling. See the pattern here? But the biggest drama of the day, it's this massive divide we're seeing in AI stocks. Get this, Nvidia just became the first company in history to hit a $5 trillion valuation. Just for context, that's a whole $1 trillion bigger than giants like Apple and Microsoft. But here's the plot twist. A huge investor just sold off its entire multi-billion-dollar stake. And now it has analysts warning that these crazy high valuations might just be running too hot. So why is everyone so optimistic all of a sudden? There are a few key reasons for this rally. The biggest reason by far, the market is almost certain the US Federal Reserve will cut rates. And that confidence comes from the latest inflation data, which shows things are finally cooling off. So that leaves us with the big question. Is this real optimism, or are we just in a bottle?